throw away these custom cookies.
Careful.
Yeah, I don't like them either.
What's in there?
Banana.
What is it? 24 mints. 24 mints?
Oh no, not 24 minutes.
Yummy.
Hey, count the
Yummy.
minutes for us.
1, 2, 3, 9.
1, 2, 3,
Seems to know
4,
how to
9.
count to 20.
Yeah.
Can you count?
Well, he just always jumps right to 10 now.
Yeah.
It's one of his new tricks.
Taking shortcuts, eh?
Yep.
Yeah.
Is it tasty?
Mm-hmm.
I love mint.
I love mints. Sure you do.
I love special Lori mint.
You love Lori?
Special Lori mints. God.
Okay.
What else is
Anything
in
in
there?
this world that is not special?
Everything's special. Special for Eric. Good job. Should we do Jingle Bells?
Yeah.
You want to sing? What do you know how to sing? Row, row, row your boat.
Oh, who's that?
What's that?
I get that, too.
What is it?
I think that must be...
The cover, under the cover.
Where is the cover?
That doesn't look familiar to you?
No.
There must be some other child
You
then.
know, we
I
used
took
to
it.
have stuff. You can...
You sure?